All right, so I have a 4-inch ribbon here. Isn't that pretty? That's actually got velvet in the middle. So 4-inch ribbon is just like the other ribbons. It's just bigger. It does the same exact thing that putting the mesh and the deco ribbon does. Exact same thing. See how pretty that is? So when you're working with a bigger ribbon, you just take a little bit more time to get it straightened out as you're going. That's going to save you a lot of headache in the end. Okay. I think I need to go in the other room and grab, because I think I might have a ribbon that's even bigger than this. I have to go look real quick. Okay. These can be accents. They can also be a bow on their own. Sometimes a big bow is great to have. Just making this slightly smaller. Okay. So you see, you can make a bow with just the 4-inch ribbon. All right, now let me show you what to do when you're moving your zip tie around. Okay. So there's your indention. If you move this, all of it's going to move with it. See how that happens? What you have to do is you have to put your hand on one side and squeeze one side and then move your zip tie. That's very important. Don't ever make a bow without doing that, because you're going to be really frustrated because those are going to move. That zip tie is going to move your ribbons out of place. That's all you have to do. It's a very simple solution to what you have to do, but you have to do it. So make sure you're holding that side while you're twisting it around. Otherwise, you'll be very frustrated. All right. So now we just do the same thing. Exact same thing we always do. You might have to pull a little bit more, because you want, what you're doing is getting this at the bottom, this stuff at the bottom to spread out. That's how you get a really nice big fluff, is to get that stuff at the bottom to pull out. See, with the 4-inch ribbon, I have to really kind of pull it. Ooh, look at that. That comes right apart. Not cool. See how nice and fluffy that side is? So you see, it's exactly the same way you make the other bows. It's just a larger ribbon. No matter how large the ribbon is, you're still going to be able to do it. You just have to take your time. And stick your hands down there and actually physically pull that little bottom part apart.